Hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome on my today's YouTube channel. Oh God, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Damar Smith Official. Guys, today is I'm going to cook shorba. Okay, so stay tuned on this channel. Subscribe if you're new here. If you're turning subscriber, thank you. So stay tuned, don't skip the channel, and let us see like what are we going to do in the kitchen. Okay, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm outside. Yeah, preparing myself how to go and start cooking. There's a green environment here. You see? Yeah, there's a green environment here. Anyway, let us see what we have in today's channel. Flower, beautiful flower. There's another one here. Beautiful flower. Mashallah. Wow. The nature. And here's me. So my good people, this is haris. This is what we call haris. This is what I'm going to cook. So let me show you something here. This one is the haris, you can see, which it doesn't cook. And this one is the one already have cooked. And remember, I'm going to make shorba. So stay tuned. Don't skip the channel. Watch until the end. Let us see how things moving. So guys, this is the water for cooking shorba. Shorba, Arabic style. I think this water, you see? Let me see. So, yeah, I think for now this is all right. Okay, so let me put here. You see, this is the water, and I wanna switch on the fire. I wanna switch on. You see, let me show you. And then from there, I'm going to take this. You see, this is the haris. I'm going to add on the water like that. And I'm going to wait it to boil for at least 20 minutes until it become like the soup. You see? So stay tuned. Don't skip. Let us see how things moving from this side. Guys, my face is growing. My face is growing. So let us focus there. You are seeing how is our shoulder is going. You see? So amazing. So what I'm gonna do here, this is step 3. I'm going to add filfil. Let me show you what I'm gonna do here. So, good people, I'm going to add here some spicy. Let me take the spoon. This is cinnamon powder. This is cinnamon powder. I'm going to put not a lot, just like this. Remember, I'm making Arabic soup, which goes by the name shorba. Yeah, I'm going to write down the ingredients so you can learn and go and make for your family one. This is the black pepper. Okay, I'm not going to put much. I'm going to put like this. See, and mix well. Do you know how to mix? See, mix well. Done. Another step, I'm going to put salt. As you can see, so my salt is going off, but I will add another one, just like that. I will test. If it's not enough, I will add another one. Okay, so next step. This is milk powder. I wanna mix it with water. This is coconut. Yeah, I wanna mix into water, and then I'm going to pour it here. Then we're going to see the result. So let us see how to do it. So guys, let me zoom. I wanna zoom. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so here is my milk, and this is milk and coconut powder. I'm going to add here. Okay, and let me show you how it comes. Like, guys, you won't believe. You get it? Yes. So you see how it looks like. You see, this is now Arabic soup. It's called shorba. Now I'm going to wait it to boil like 10 to 20 minutes. And it's going to be ready to drink. Yeah, so let us wait the last part of drinking. Actually, guys, it's night time. Let us see what is outside. Outside is dark. It's dark. You cannot see anything. You see, it's dark. So let us go back and see how this thing's moving here. You can see by yourself. Yes, so see you to the next part of drinking shorba, and we call it a day. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. Thank you for turning to watch my video. Soon I'm going to start bringing the video of traveling and showing you the reality. So stay on this channel, don't go anywhere, and please don't skip the ads here. So guys, finally my shorba is ready to drink. Okay. Oh gosh, it's so nice. You see, I'm going to put on a bowl. Yeah, I'm going to take meat. Yes, like this. And finally, this is me here with my shorba. Okay, so it is time to drink. It is time to let us see how things. So you see, oh, amazing. So this is simple way of making shorba. You see. Yeah, so see you to the next video. Bye.